So good day guys, good day everyone. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can go on and run your Yahoo Mail, sign up and do some other things on Yahoo Mail. But before going into action, please support your boy, like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video as well. God bless you as you do so. Thank you. So first things first, these are the features you have on Yahoo Mail. You can read through all this news, play with them as well. So for you to sign up, you have to click on mail or sign in. In this video, I've already signed in I have my login in this browser. So when you go into your browser, just type in yahoo.com. This will be your interface. Then click on mail or sign in to create an account or to log into your account, your existing account. So I'm clicking on sign in. So here's my account. Now click on sign in. There'll be a place where you can create an account. So you just have to click on create an account, fill in the details required, and your number. Then you create an account. You can also sign up by using your Gmail as well. That is by linking your Gmail and your Yahoo Mail together. So I'll be doing that video as well. So for this video, let's go into what we have in Yahoo Mail. So let me sign in. I have my password there already. Yeah, so this is my interface, this is my screen. My account is already logged in. So for me to take actions now, all I have to do is to click on this message icon or the envelope icon. So when I click on this, now you can see I have my inbox here, my start message, sent messages, draft folders, and we have more. So this icon here is where you can write in your message, send a message, send out message, sorry. So let's create a message. And you click on this icon, this is what you are going to have. So you can send message or mail to someone or send bulk SMS. Now for you to send bulk SMS, all you just have to is to click on this two. Yeah, then type in the mail, press email, and send a message to or the mail to. So I'll just type in mail. Here I'll also type in another mail. As you can see, I have two mails that I can send this message to. So subject is optional, but here is where you can compose your message, type in your message, whatever message you want to post, whatever message you want to input. That's where you can post your message. Now if you look at this side, where on the right side where you have white business, this is what is being called signature. So I'll be putting it through now. You can do that as well. So that is that for that. So another thing is I'll be showing you on how you can delete messages or delete mails. So for you to do that is you have to come to your inbox on the image on the mail you want to delete or the message you want to delete. Just mark it and you go to where you have your delete and delete. Now you want to make it a bulk delete. All you have is when you mark one, then keep marking the rest that you want to delete. I see. Then when you make it delete, then you have this SMS, these messages that you marked deleted. So that is that for that. So I'm putting you through now on how you can how you can create folder. So for you to create folder, you have to come down here where you have a folder, click on folder, and click on new folder. You type in the title of your folder. So let's make it business folder. So what is the folder all about? Folder is where you can put in a specific or a special message or mail. Also, you can put in messages or mails that you don't want to start making search for. So when you've created your folder, this is our folder, our business folder. So all you have to do is go to your inbox and go to the messages you want to put in the message in the business folder. Let's mark in this and let's mark in this. So we have marked two mails or messages. So we have to go to where we have this folder icon. This folder icon. Click on it, then click on business. Automatically you can see that it's no more there. Then we go to our folder, business folder. That's where we can have it. So let's go back to our folder, business. Now you can see the two messages that we've marked. So for us to unfolder it, they have to mark it as well. So what I have to do is when you have to mark it, then go to where you have your folder icon as well. Go to more options, select, then click on where do you want to put it at. You just have to put a priority, then move. And let's go back to our folder, business. Guys, we have no messages in there again anymore. So you just have to go to inbox, and these are the messages that we've marked. Can you see messages that we move from the folder back to our priority? So that's how you can do all of that. Now to delete your folder, you just have to click on folder back, click on the folder you want to delete. You have these three dots which says more options. Click on it. Then you can remove your folder, rename your folder, delete folder, or create a subfolder. So I want to delete folder, so I just have to click on delete. That is that. So another thing is how you can make signature. So you have to come to where you have these three dots, or you have your more or your settings. Click on it, go to your settings. Then you go to where you have your writing limit. Now one thing that makes Xiaomi so special is just a free storage of 1 terabyte. So you can use as much space as you want. 1 terabyte. Can you see where my cursor is? Unlike Gmail that has 15 gigabytes, Yahoo has 1 terabyte. So how we can create signatures. So let me take you back. So all you have to do is click on these three dots where you have your more. Go to where you have your settings. Then you click on writing email. Now you have your signature, then you turn it on. It's already on. That's why you have it. You see YT business. That's why you have YT business. So for you to change that, you just have to highlight everything and put in your signature. It can be your business name, it can be your name, depending on you or the message you are sending. So let's just put YouTube. Let's just type in YouTube. Now we can highlight it to make it bold, italic, or straight. Can you see? You can also come to this alphabet A to change the fonts. You can change the size as well as extra large. Now can you see? Now for you to change the color, you still have to highlight it and come to where you have these three colors here. Then you can choose your preferred color. Let's choose yellow. Now you can see this where my cursor is. Now if you want to add background to it, all you just have to do is come to where you have this three color or the text color, click on it. By the right side where you have highlight color, then click on any color you want to use for the background. And you see, it is beautiful like this. That is that. So let's see if it really works or not. So we have to go back to where we have our compose, where we have so we have to go back to where we are going to write message. So we have to go to new message. Let's refresh. Can you see this is our signature? So when you keep on typing and typing, it will still remain there. So I will not waste much of your time. So you guys, I beg you guys to please support your boy. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell on. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.